Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, I want to discuss about exploring the world of Raspberry Pi projects and ideas, so let's start. The Raspberry Pi is a versatile and affordable single-board computer that has captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts, hobbyists, educators, and professionals around the world. Its compact size, low cost, and robust community support make it an ideal platform for a wide range of creative projects. Here's a deep dive into the exciting world of Raspberry Pi projects and ideas. Categories of Raspberry Pi projects. 1. Home automation. The Raspberry Pi can function as the hub of a smart home setup. It supports various home automation protocols like MQTT, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. Smart lighting control, automate lights with motion sensors, voice commands, or mobile apps. Home security system, build a surveillance system with cameras, motion detection, and remote monitoring. Climate control, use sensors to monitor temperature and humidity, and control HVAC systems accordingly. 2. Media centers. Turn your Raspberry Pi into a powerful entertainment hub. Kodi Media Center, install Kodi to stream movies, music, and videos from local or online sources. Retro gaming console, use RetroPie or Lacquer to emulate classic video games and relive the golden era of gaming. Audio streaming device, build a high-quality audio streamer using tools like Volumio or Pi Music Box. 3. Internet of Things, IoT. Raspberry Pi is a perfect gateway to learning IoT, connecting devices and sensors to the internet. Weather station, combine sensors to measure temperature, humidity, and pressure and send data to a cloud dashboard. Smart garden, automate plant watering with soil moisture sensors and relays. Remote monitoring system, monitor industrial processes or home appliances remotely. 4. Robotics and automation. Unleash your creativity by building robots or automating tasks. Autonomous robots, create robots capable of navigating their environment using ultrasonic or camera sensors. Robotic arm, build a robotic arm for picking and placing objects. Line following robot, program a robot to follow a path based on color or light detection. 5. Educational tools. The Raspberry Pi is an excellent learning tool for programming and electronics. Coding tutor, use tools like Scratch, Python, or Java to teach programming basics. Physics experiments, use sensors to measure and analyze real-world data for classroom demonstrations. Math and science projects, create simulations and models for a deeper understanding of STEM subjects. 6. Creative applications. Blend art and technology with these projects. Digital art frames, display a rotating gallery of digital artwork. Interactive installations, use motion sensors and LEDs to create dynamic art installations. Music synthesizers, develop your synthesizer for music production. 7. Networking projects. Enhance your networking knowledge with practical Raspberry Pi projects. Network-attached storage, NAS, build a low-cost NAS server for personal or small business use. Pi-hole, set up a network-wide ad blocker for a cleaner browsing experience. VPN server, create a secure virtual private network using OpenVPN. 8. DIY gadgets. Customize the Pi to make unique and practical devices. Portable computer, combine a Raspberry Pi with a small screen and keyboard to make a mini laptop. Smart mirror, build a mirror that displays weather, news, and calendar updates. Digital clock, design a modern digital clock with custom features. Getting started with Raspberry Pi projects. 1. Choose your model. Select the Raspberry Pi model that best suits your project requirements. The Raspberry Pi 4 is ideal for demanding applications, while the Pi Zero W is perfect for compact or low-power projects. 2. Gather necessary components. Depending on your project, you may need accessories like sensors, cameras, displays, power supplies, or GPIO extension boards. 3. Explore software tools. The Raspberry Pi OS is the default operating system, but many projects use specialized OSes like RetroPie, OpenMediaVault, or Home Assistant. 4. Learn programming basics. Knowledge of Python, C++, or JavaScript can be beneficial, but even beginners can start with block-based programming like Scratch. 5. Join the community. The Raspberry Pi community is vibrant and supportive. Participate in forums, attend maker fairs, and explore GitHub repositories for inspiration and help. Tips for successful projects. 1. Start small. Begin with simple projects to build confidence before tackling complex ones. 2. Document everything. Keep a detailed log of your progress, including challenges and solutions. 3. Reuse and recycle. Use components from old devices to save money and reduce waste. 4. Experiment and innovate. Don't be afraid to modify existing ideas to create something unique. Inspiration for advanced projects. Once you've mastered the basics, consider more ambitious projects. AI-powered assistant. Build a voice assistant using tools like TensorFlow and speech recognition libraries. Custom drone. Create a Raspberry Pi controlled drone with a camera for aerial photography. Cluster computing. Build a Raspberry Pi cluster for parallel computing and learn about distributed systems. The Raspberry Pi's versatility and accessibility make it an exciting platform for innovation and learning. Whether you're a beginner exploring your first project or a seasoned maker diving into advanced ideas, the possibilities are nearly endless. Thanks for watching. For more videos, keep in touch with us, like, share and subscribe to our channel.